Welcome back to my channel Avarta Studios. Today's recipe is a North Indian dish, Aloo Paratha with Palak Paneer. Without wasting much time, let's start with the recipe. First, we'll be preparing the dough for the Aloo Paratha. For the dough, I have taken around 2 cups of wheat flour. To this, I am adding a pinch of salt. Prepare a soft dough using the required amount of water. Grease it with oil and keep it aside. Next, we will be preparing the Palak Paneer. First, for the Palak Paneer, cook the palak leaves in around 2 cups of water. Cook this palak for around 4 to 5 minutes. Now the palak is cooked. Transfer this cooked palak into a mixer jar. To the mixer jar, add around 4 to 5 green chilies and grind this into a fine paste. In a white bottom kadai, add around 2 to 3 tablespoons of oil. Once the oil heats up, add around 1 tablespoon of jeera seeds. One to 2 pieces of cinnamon. Saute it for a few seconds. To this, add the ginger garlic paste. One cup of finely chopped onions. Saute it for a few seconds. To this, add a little bit of turmeric powder. After the onions get cooked, add the palak and the chili paste. To this, add 1 tablespoon of coriander powder, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, half a tablespoon of chili powder and the required amount of salt. Give this a nice mix. Mix till the raw smell of the palak goes. This palak is rich in antioxidants. It is also rich in vitamin A, K. This is good for your skin, health and hair. Cook this on a medium flame. If this becomes too thick, add a little water. At this stage, you can add salt, chili powder by chance if you require. After this is done, add some cubes of paneer to this. I have not roasted the paneer, I am adding it as it is. Mix this very lightly so that the paneer doesn't smash off. After this is cooked, switch off the stove. Lastly, add some 2 to 3 drops of lemon. Don't add too much of lemon since I have also added paneer. Give it a mix and the palak paneer is ready. For the aloo paratha stuff, I have taken around 3 to 4 potatoes, washed them and cooked them. In a mixing bowl, smash the cooked potatoes. After the potatoes are mashed, to this add 1 tablespoon of salt, 1 tablespoon of garam masala, 1 tablespoon of red chili powder and 1 tablespoon of coriander powder. At last add the finely chopped coriander leaves. Mix all these together. Now let's start making the aloo paratha. For the aloo paratha, pull a small bowl of the wheat dough. Make it a small round and dust it with flour. Roll it very lightly to form a small circle. After a small circle is formed, pick a spoon of the potato and keep it at the center. Start tucking this from all the sides. Make sure you tuck it properly. If you get any extra dough, you can just remove it. After this is formed, again dust it with flour. Start rolling this very lightly. If you put too much of pressure, the aloo will come out. Don't make the parathas too big. In the meantime, keep a pan on the stove. Let this pan heat up. Once this pan heats up, add a little butter. You can also add oil. Just smear it all over. Put these parathas on the pan. Put little butter on the upside also. And smear it very carefully. Once this starts to cook, flip it over. You need to cook both the sides till they turn golden brown. In the meantime, we'll make all the parathas. You can prepare these parotas using different vegetables like cauliflower, radish, beetroots, carrot or any other vegetables of your choice. Make these healthy parathas for your kids and your family. You can serve these parotas really hot with the prepared Palak Paneer. You can eat these parathas really hot with the prepared Palak Paneer. Do give this recipe a try and share it with your family and friends. If you like a video, do subscribe to our channel Avartha Studios and also hit the bell icon to receive updates on our upcoming videos. Thank you.